from retail workers to flight attendants. We've seen a wide range of workers considering strikes to take a stand and requesting legal support to help them do it.
As we see more organizing in spaces that we haven't seen it before, Amazon and Starbucks, and we see more workers willing to take that risk of going out on strike, the legislature is saying, well, should we add to the protections so that people don't lose their housing, don't lose their health care if they make the choice, which is a legally protected choice, to go out on strike.
Senate Bill 5632 got a hearing Wednesday. It would give striking workers new access to open enrollment and subsidies to get health insurance if they're off the job long enough to lose their care. House Bill 1893 would provide unemployment insurance to strikers. While some large unions have strike funds, many smaller groups do not. Barista Rachel Ibarra says short work stoppages during Starbucks Workers United organizing exemplify the need for a measure like this, giving workers without much cushion room to bargain.
We should be able to exercise our right to strike without losing the roof over our heads.
But opponents say it could cause longer strikes and impact all businesses paying into the fund.
We've worked long and hard to keep this fund viable over the years.
They argue unemployment is meant for people out of work with no choice. And each bill has made it through one body of the legislature and is making its way through the other. But the clock is ticking, so it remains to be seen whether they'll have the time or support needed to pass it, Joyce.
So do other states have these kinds of benefits?
So there are a couple that have benefits like this, but not very many. In fact, this is something that's really pretty new at this point in time. In fact, in California, they tried to pass the unemployment insurance bill, and they did pass it, but then Governor Gavin Newsom actually vetoed it, saying that it was going to cost too much for the state.
Interesting. We'll keep watching this one.
See how it goes here.
Sure.
Yep.
Yeah.
Thanks, Joyce.
Thanks, Erica.